Yo, what's up guys? It's me, Chef Nel Sasson, and today, since Thanksgiving's coming up, I'm gonna be making some pumpkin pie cookies. For this recipe, we need half and half or evaporated milk, 1 stick with unsalted butter, marshmallows, baking powder, sugar, AP flour, 2 eggs, vanilla extract, light brown sugar, pumpkin pie spice, ground cinnamon, baking soda, salt, and pumpkin puree. In a bowl, cream together 1 stick of unsalted butter, a third cup of brown sugar, and a quarter cup of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Then, crack in 1 egg and add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and then mix until fully combined. Now, on to the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/4 cup of flour, half teaspoon of cinnamon, half teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and a quarter teaspoon of salt. After that, add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and stir until a soft dough forms. And once you've done that, cover and let it chill in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Alright, now on to the pumpkin filling. In a bowl, combine half cup of pumpkin puree, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of half and half or evaporated milk, 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Okay, it's time to assemble the cookies. Get a baking sheet, scoop your dough into 1 1/2 ounce balls, coat them in sugar, press the center of each one to form a deep well, pour a small amount of the pumpkin puree in each well, add 1 marshmallow to each one, then bake for about 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And what's special about these marshmallows is that they are natural, gluten-free, fat-free, and that they are vanilla bean flavored. Y eso son galletas de tarta de calabaza. Alright guys, the pumpkin pie cookies are ready. I'm gonna try it now and I won't cap. Let's see. Dang, it's pretty crumbly. But I'm telling you right now, this right here, it tastes like an actual pumpkin pie. I'll tell you that. And the one thing about it is that it's crunchy, but soft at the same time. But another thing is that eating this, it's like pumpkin pie, but a little soft. Because the thing is that when you're eating pumpkin pie, it's a little crunchy, the crust. But this right here, it's a different story. But yeah, since it's pumpkin spice season, it's a good time to make pumpkin pie. I'll tell you that for sure. And I'm gonna tell you, lots of people I know don't even like eating pumpkin pie. I don't know why, but I like it. I just love the fact how I put the pumpkin puree right in the middle. I pretty much made it like a pie. It's pretty much pumpkin pie, but a small version of it. That's what it is. I can really taste the pumpkin spice. I can taste the cinnamon. Yeah. And the marshmallow, it really went well. And I'm gonna tell you this right now. I'm just so glad that these cookies weren't nothing but dry knee skin. You know that? And I gotta be honest, I actually like these better than the pumpkin cookies I made like a couple weeks ago. The reason why is because they're more crunchy and they have like a better taste. Like in here, you can really taste the pumpkin spice. And the pumpkin puree too. But you know, when making cookies, freezing them for 30 minutes is the key. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace, and happy Thanksgiving!